Hey, Susan Berkley here with the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog. And this week I have a question for you. Are you sitting on the fence regarding starting your voiceover career because you don't know if you have the talent for it? I mean, you don't want to embarrass yourself or waste your time, right? Well, I thought I'd take a few minutes today to address this issue because it's on a lot of people's mind. Look, some people are not cut out to do voiceovers, just like I am not cut out to be a nuclear scientist or even a volleyball player, right? Somebody throws a ball at me and I duck. Sports is just not my thing. But if you feel in your heart that maybe you're part of the voice tribe or this is something you've been wanting to do, you need to explore it. So let's talk a little bit more about talent. I've been training people now for over 30 years. And frankly, I have met some people that I had doubts about who then proved me wrong. I mean, I have worked with people who stutter, who were able to control their stutter on the microphone, people who were hearing or visually disabled, people with severe physical disabilities who then went on to do this and become working voice talent. And I am honored and I am so humbled by their bravery, by their perseverance, by their courage. They made this happen because they wanted to do it. So talent, look, it's a gift developed in action. When I first started out in voiceover, my talent was frankly pretty mediocre. But now today people call me talented because I kept at it. I developed that spark, that seed that was within me to do something that I love to do. And now I am sharing with you. Talent is a gift developed in action, and it fully flourishes when we share it with others, when you share that gift that you've been given with your future customers. That is a life worth living. So that's all I got for you today. See you next week with more Inside Voiceover.